Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best windshield repair kit. Here are the top 3 windshield repair kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit. This kit renders easy installation mechanism and ensures a firm fix for all types of laminated windshields, including automobiles and light vehicles. It minimizes the appearance of chips, cracks, and stops them from spreading along the screen, ensuring shock-resistant properties. The crack vanishes after a perfect application when examined at 45 degrees to provide a fun-filled and exciting ride. The windscreen is unable to achieve a repair if the screen is contaminated or when air pockets are made after a hurried application. It is good for multiple repairs and comprises of an advanced resin formula with a flash point of 93 OC. At number 2. American Mini Windshield Repair Kit. It is perfect for smaller-sized windshields which contain issues of rock chips and can finalize 50 repairs before requiring more resin. The kit includes 1. Repair bridge, inner O-rings, external end seals, repair resin, kit filler resin, curing ring strips, UV light with suction cup, and others. The repair bridge included in the kit is used to inject repair resin into the glass with precision and accuracy without any wastage. This windshield kit comes with a portable nylon carrying case that is durable and abrasion resistant, effective for long-term use. American Mini Windshield Kit includes a pit filler which provides a finishing touch for a superbly executed repair. At number 1. Permatex Windshield Repair Kit. This repair kit makes permanent airtight repairs with simple application on laminated windshield glass, requiring no mixing. The repair should be made in a shaded region with the windshield temperature between 50 to 75 and cures with direct sunlight. It comes with a complete kit that provides easy-to-follow instructions with photographs depicting the application process. This accessory can be used on windshields and other applications including vinyl tops and vehicle electronic connections. It is resistant to weather, extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock resistant, and ensures a compact sealing procedure. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.